What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys ASTRO File Manager, an app for the Android OS. Now this is basically a file manager. You can use it to, it's basically explore. You can just view your files. You can cut, copy, paste, delete, rename, and so. Now when we actually run ASTRO, you would get this nice menu. That's the home part screen. Now there's the file manager. We can get access to your SD card and do all that stuff, or even to your phone's internal storage. You can also get a free ASTRO backup account, which is the equivalent to basically Dropbox or something like that. You get support, you can rate it, and you also have a task manager and an application backup. Now I'm going to start with the file manager. When you pop it open, it starts up in your SD card or whichever one it is, and you're able to just scroll around and get basically all of the folders and files that are on your SD card. Now you can tab this for home, or you can go back up. You can select stuff. You can view in a specific order. You can even choose a grid view if you would like, which looks like this. You can also go forward, backwards. You can drag stuff around. You can sort stuff. You can refresh if you want. You can make a new folder. You can, in preferences, you can look for stuff, and you get access to networks, such as if you're on a Wi-Fi network, and if it's configured properly, you can actually get access to your stuff. So let's say you are on your home's Wi-Fi, your computer's on, and you're allowed to work properly. It's all configured. So basically, you can actually go into your computer and copy stuff onto your phone through Wi-Fi. It's pretty nice. I tried it. It works pretty well. Now, in general cases, if you want to do stuff, it really depends on what you want to do. Let's see. So basically, if you want to get the context menu, you just tap and hold, and you're able to get copy, move, which is basically cutting. You can rename stuff, delete stuff, and get your details, and you can bookmark it if you want. Now, to open files, you just, where's that folder? Let's see, some documents. Okay, whatever. So basically you get all of those, right? So let's say you want to start off by opening something. You just tap it, and you get a bunch of apps that you can open it with. I have Office Suite, so I'm going to run that. And that's basically it. You just tap it to open it. Now you can also use this to install apps that are on your SD card, if you want to. For example, I'm gonna, where is that? No, it's actually not here. It's, yeah, where is it? Alright then, okay, now let's say, now this is an APK. Oh, it's messed up. Oh well. Anyways, if you want to delete, so just tap delete. It'll say, oh, you want to delete MIUI music player, which I was hoping to install, but no, it got messed up for some reason. You just press delete and it deletes. And yet again, you can get access to everything on your SD card, or you can go back up and go into your basically your entire phone memory and such. I mean, you can't really get into it because it doesn't really allow you, unless you have Root Explorer or something like that. You can get access to a root of your device and do stuff with it. Right, now you can get a free ASTRO backup account. You just back up stuff. It's basically cloud storage. You can get support and help if you want. You can give stars. Now you get their task manager, so you can basically task collapse if you want. Get some nice pieces of information, nice processes, and your services. There's also application backup. So what is nice is that you can actually back up whatever app you want. I'm not entirely sure if it's everything, but I'm pretty sure it's not. I'm pretty sure it's just, just the core part of the app not like all the settings and such. So you can start backing up stuff. You can back up everything and it will basically be stored onto your SD card or wherever you want. Or if you're connected to the network and it's working and such, you can also back it up directly to your computer, which is pretty nice. And back to the file manager, you got your tools, which you can check if you want. You can check your SD card usage. And this is really nice because it just scans it for basically everything. And it reads all the directories and it gets all the information. And it also shows you which folders are the largest. Right now it's calling my music folder, but nope, it's actually going to be a different directory. Yeah. So I have content, which has a bunch of stuff. I also have Android. And basically it's 1.4 gigs of it is basically Modern Combat 3. So MP3 is music, my photos, games, apps, MapDroid, and so on. That basically gets it, and you get quite a bit of files in it, and basically lots of information. Next, you can make a new folder, which is basically the directory. You also get your preferences, and you get a bunch of nice stuff to do. For example, you can have themes, or you can go online and get some other themes. You can choose what kind of view type you want, thumbnails, and basically generally a bunch of settings that you can choose from. And you can change your home directory. So let's say right now by default when you actually open the file manager, it's going to open in your SD card and you can change the directory if you want. Now you can choose if you want to do a drag action, caches, stuff like that. And you can also search for stuff, and that's basically it. And yeah, that's ASTRO File Manager for you guys. This is free on the Android market, but there is a full version which is like $3.50, and just get rid of the ads. And this is a really nice app. Of course, there are other ones that are also free without ads. Some of them are good, some of them are bad. I want to start talking about another file manager later on. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah. Remember to subscribe, favorite this if you want, comment, tell me what file manager that you use in the comment section below. That would be cool, because I mean, I just use ASTRO right now, but I like to see what other apps or file managers that you guys use. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.